In this video from Device Doctor, the copy size on the HP LaserJet M236dw printer is stuck at 25%. I'll show you how to change it to 100% so it stays at 100% even after turning the printer off and on.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, this is the printer and its model. I believe many people come to YouTube looking for a solution to this problem, but this is one of the only videos that explains it clearly. To fix this issue and change the default settings, we need to connect a network cable between the printer and the computer. Now, simply press the network button on the printer once to print out the network information, including the IP address. Now find the Ethernet section and you will see the IP address there. As you can see, the username and password are clearly written here. Keep in mind that these details may be different for each printer. Now the settings are saved, and they will remain at 100% even after turning the printer off and on.